Want to build iPhone apps but not sure where to start? In 4 minutes, I will give you the practical map. I am a senior iOS architect. By the end, you will know the essential tools, the language, UI options, app architecture, networking, and how to ship. iOS development uses Xcode as the IDE, Swift as the main language, and Apple SDKs for features like UI, sensors, and storage. You will test on the simulator or a real iPhone. Install Xcode from the App Store. Use the simulator to test. Swift Playgrounds is great for quick experiments. Manage packages with Swift Package Manager or Cocoa Pods when needed. Swift is safe and modern. Use let for constants and var for variables. Types are explicit, but type inference helps. Optionals carry possible nil and you unwrap them safely. Here is a basic example of constants and variables and a function that handles optional strings safely. For UI, you have UIKit, the long-time imperative framework, and SwiftUI, the modern declarative framework that speeds up iteration and previews. Understand the app lifecycle. Launch, background, foreground. Architect your code. MVC works, but MVVM separates UI logic and testable state, which scales better. Store small settings in for simple data, core data for structured local databases, and keychain for secure secrets like tokens. For networking, use URL session with async await, decode JSON with Codable. For heavy work, offload to background threads to keep UI responsive. Here is how an async network call looks in Swift. Use breakpoints and the debugger in Xcode. Write unit tests for logic and UI tests for flows, and profile with instruments to catch memory and CPU issues. To distribute, you need Apple Developer Membership for signing and provisioning. Use TestFlight for beta distribution, then upload through App Store Connect. Learn by building small apps. Follow Apple documentation and sample projects. Complete a tutorial app end-to-end and read community guides on GitHub. Start a simple to-do app today and subscribe for a deep dive series.